Hello everybody and welcome to the online tutorial on Google Classroom for Android users. Let us learn how to use Google Classroom app on our Android smartphone. Open Google Classroom app on your phone with your Gmail account. Step 1 is to click Create Class. You will click the plus sign below and create class. When you click that, a pop-up would appear in front of you. Please check the box that I have read and understood the notice and continue. Once you continue, you have to fill in the details of your class and click Create. You have created your classroom. Before moving ahead, please click on Settings and change your stream posting setting. Choose Student Can Only Comment. This will help you from stopping unwanted posts from students. Now, once you are done with everything, the screen that would appear in front of you would be the stream screen. Let's understand how to use the stream feature and for what purpose. You can use this stream feature to make announcements or to send pre-read material to the students for the next coming session that you are going to take. Step 1 would be to type the announcement. Step 2 would be to either post the announcement if you want to post it immediately, or what you can do is you can even schedule the announcement. That is, you can put in the time and date when you want that announcement to be scheduled. And once it is done, your screen would appear like this, which is the last screen on the current page you are on. Now, if you wish to send a pre-read material to your students, you will come on stream, you will choose the details, whatever you wish to enter, you will enter the details on stream. Then you will choose the attachment sign up there on the screen. When you click on the attachment sign, a lot of options come in front of you. You can choose to attach a file from Google Drive, a link from your camera. You can click any document and you can attach. You can upload a file from your phone, or you can also pick a photo from your photo gallery of the phone. Once you choose the file, kindly upload the file. Then once the file is uploaded, please click post, or if you want to schedule a post, please schedule a post. Once it is done, your stream would appear as the last screen that you can see on your current screen. Next is the classwork. Please choose the plus sign and click on the last option, that is topic. I would suggest you all to create separate topics to fill in or to upload the data that you wish to send to your students. I have chosen a few topics over here that you would be seeing in the next screen. I would first request you to please create topic. To create a topic, choose topic. A pop-up screen would appear in front of you. Step 2 would be to create a topic. An example is given on the screen. An example is there in front of you. This is how I have created the current class. I have created it for history. I have mentioned the subject's name just to avoid any confusion among students. Then I have mentioned class session where I will be taking all my classwork. I have mentioned assignments where I will be giving the students assignment. I have mentioned homework where I'll be giving homework to the students. And I have mentioned revision where I'll be putting up notes for them to revise. Now, let us learn how to upload content in sections created. An example for class session is right in front of you. You can see the class screen, how I have created all the topics. Now, to add content inside these topics, I would again go back on the plus sign. When I click on the plus sign, the following step 1 option would appear in front of me. Suppose if I am adding something in class sessions, I wish to choose material. I choose material over there. In step 2, I will fill in all the details that I wish the students to look up to. Like, I have chosen title as chapter 1, and in description, I have written read the chapter carefully. Then, the important part is to choose the topic. Now please click on topic. You will have the topics that you have created, the sections that you have created. Please choose the section that you wish to upload the material for. Then if you are choosing a material which is a file or a document or an MS Word document, that is, please click on the add attachment option. Once you choose add attachment, the step 3 picture would appear in front of you. Kindly select the document from the desired file. Once you are done uploading with the topics, your screen should appear like this. The class sessions, as you can see, is having a topic posted inside it. If you wish, you can upload the topic and post it right there. If you wish, you can schedule the posting for the next day. Likewise, you can add and upload the content in all the other sections as well. Now, next is people. People is basically how you are going to add a teacher, a co-teacher, or a student inside your classroom. The present slide is for adding a teacher in your Google Classroom. So, if you can see the people screen right there in front of you, in the same row where teachers is written, you can see a plus sign. You have to click onto that sign and invite teacher. You will be inviting the teacher through their Gmail ID. Please enter their Gmail ID over there, add recipient, and click invite. Once you send an invite to the teacher, an email would be sent in their Gmail accounts, and the moment they accept your invite, they would be visible in your Google Classroom. Like in the 4th picture, you can see invitation sent. The teacher is invited but has yet not accepted my invite. Once the teacher accepts my invite, she would start reflecting in teachers section. As you can see, Anaya Singh is the ID through which I have invited the teacher, and Ruchi Chauhan is the teacher that has been invited and she has accepted my invitation. So likewise, the teachers would start reflecting. You can add multiple teachers, co-teachers inside the classroom. They can post their study material and they can take the class inside the same classroom that you have created as a class teacher. Now, to add student inside your class, I would suggest you to please share the code with the student, because if you are going to add students through their email address, it is going to be a really tough task for you, adding all the 40 students by entering their email addresses manually. So the easier task is to share the class code with them. Now, if you can see in the people screen, you cannot see the class code. So to get the class code, you need to go to the settings. Once you open settings and scroll down, in general settings, the first thing that you can see is class code. Please copy the class code from there and you can share this class code with your students in the WhatsApp group. Once the student enter their GC app with the Gmail ID that they have newly created, they will join the class with this class code and would start reflecting in the student section that you have on the people screen. So I have yet not added any student over here, so my screen is blank. But when your students accept your invitation, the screen would start showing student name in that. Thank you.